That's Billy right there.
Oh. Here, I can do his. It's all right. Give me a sec.
Fun. There's the captain.
You know it.
Got invested in a new boat with,
Right.
instead of decal stickers, it's real gauges.
The one has stickers.
Yeah, the other one had stickers, man. It was funny. Oh, look at these fools, man. I'll drink it all night and shit. Look at these guys. Damn Asians.
Here, I'll pass it this way.
Now take it,
One
dude.
down.
Take it. I'm filming.
You're too long. Yeah, well, the driver, dude.
Yep.
Get busted.
You get busted.
Do it out there.
Wait till I turn the camera off, then you can drink.
It's ice cold, dude.
Got our first fish. Let's gotta be. Hey, get the net. Get the net.
Need a net. Need a net.
See this baby. Oh, it's a keeper. Look at that baby.
That shit was eating, bro. I told you that.
All right, yeah.
That shit was eating.
Our first one.
Let that shit eat. You see that shit?
Yeah, just let him take it.
Yeah, let him take it. Let's measure that shit.
Perfectly caught. Look at perfectly caught that shit. That's a good size.
Yeah, hold
It's a
it.
good size.
That's a keeper.
That's a keeper, dude. Just
Measure that fool.
measure it anyways. I don't want him to get a $1,000 fine.
Measure it, bro. Why? How much is it?
16 inch.
Oh,
18.
1800? No.
No, 18 inches.
how much? Yeah, 18. You gotta get at least 18. Yeah. Dan, Sophal, where's your holder thing, dude?
Oh, it's in my bag. Oh yeah, I should get the holder. Oh yeah. Let me get the holder out.
Let me see.
Let me get the holder out.
Caught it hella fast. I
Oh, I told you it was biting. I felt it, man. Biting.
Alright, we gotta take a shot now for that.
Yeah, take it in.
Go forward. Then.
For the first time, catch.
Close. That's close.
That's a nice one.
Oh.
Hell yeah.
Let's fillet it right now and cook it. Oh,
know, dude.
get your shit ready. I'm hungry.
Okay, let's eat that.
I am hungry, dude.
You still got that McDonald's food left?
Oh man, is it 18 though?
Oh, it's close.
Dude.
Oh shit.
It's a close one. I don't know, dude.
Come on. Oh, no, it's good. Let's
You put on the ground. You gotta put on the ground. On there, put on thing, yeah.
Put it down. Just put it down.
I think that's 18.
Ooh, that looks like a nice striper though, man.
Oh, yeah?
That's 18, right? Yeah, 18.
18? Round it down?
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Hold it up, D.
Hold on.
D's the first one.
Photo op.
Woo. There. Yeah. All right.
He's fighting.
Oh damn.
Big one, bro. Big one, baby. You sure it's not locked, dude? Oh,
The big.
oh yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Good shit, Tom.
That shit might not make it, dude. It's not bad. Look how small his rod is.
What the hell? Good shit,
Good shit, bro.
Nice.
That's
Nice.
18 right there.
I don't know, man. I might
Maybe
not
17 and a
be.
half. Maybe 17
It
and
might-
a half. No, that's 18, yeah.
Hey, where's the thing? Where's the hook?
Yeah, that's 18. Hooked on it. Back in?
Yeah. I'm gonna say 17. I'm gonna say 17.
18, bro.
Oh man. Oh man.
Take a picture.
Take a picture anyway. I got video. Someone take a picture.
Yeah, don't wait. I gotta release his ass.
Wait.
Oh man. What the heck, man? I wasted 3 minutes of battery on that shit.
That's a tiny one.
Underage fish, man.
Man. Hey, good shit. At least you caught stuff, dude. Small.
Yeah.
Yeah. Small.
Yeah, small.
Man, who's catching bluegills over here?
Small. I got one, baby. Oh man. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at that, baby.
That's way too young, dude.
Hey, at least I know how it feels to have a fight. Woo! Bam.
Hey, use that as a bait fish.
That's true,
Man,
dude.
that shit can't beat the shrimp, dude. Come on. He has to be fed.
Don't be jealous.
I'm a little jealous.
Don't be jealous. This pole is no longer a virgin
I
pole.
want to hate on that shit, bro.
All right, go get your. You know it. Whew.
was on the board.
I'm on the board, G.
On the board, yeah.
That's all you need to know.
Get that thing on, baby.
I wonder how it feels to carry a... Hey guys, it feels good pulling in a fish. Oh man.
Pulling up the weight, dude.
Oh man.
Whoa!
Oh, my other line.
Another mini. Why are you struggling against this mini fish right here, fool?
Wasting my bait, fool.
Man, that must be the.
Stop feeding those fish, fool.
Oh, you're feeding the fish, bro. That's the Michael.
You see that, people?
Yeah, that's where it should be.
I gotta get my other line out. Oh, time to GoPro G.
Get the net. Just in case.
Nah, it's not that big.
It's a fish, but it's not
big,
big,
though. Nah, it's not that big.
Oh, it's a monster. Oh, it's a baby sturgeon. Oh, damn.
Is barely hanging up?
Yeah, just unhook it there.
Release it, dude.
Oh, it's a white one.
It's a white sturgeon.
Take a picture with it, Billy. He was asleep, he didn't even know it was on there.
Oh, you can't keep that one?
No, man, it's too small.
Take a picture with that shit.
Yeah.
My camera on me.
Waste that.